My windshield is cracked! Dad!
Your car's automatic safety features are amazing, but even minor bumps and broken windows can make them dangerous.
Lucky Dog has invested the time and money in training and technology to restore the vehicle back to manufacturer specifications.
Dad, the insurance company wants me to use that glass company that does it in your driveway.
Insist on Lucky Dog. It's your right, and you want it done right.
You sound like a commercial.
Lucky Dog does it right, guaranteed.
LuckyDogGlass.com